I don't know if this works, but Chloe. I'm cleaning the bird room, and I just filled Chloe's. How do I do this? Oh, there she is. I just filled Chloe's box. She wants to get the walnuts I put in there. Good, Chloe. She's kind of freaked out by the video camera. Now, mind you, Chloe isn't a bird who plays with toys, so this is good for her to forage. Go ahead, Chloe. It's okay. It's all right, Chloe. You're so pretty, Chloe. Go ahead. Get the nuts. Are you just going to stare at the camera? 2 seconds of foraging and then she's freaked out by the camera. Yeah, you getting fluffy? You getting fluffy? What's in there? Get it. Good girl. Good girl, Chloe. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. She likes nuts, so obviously. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Chloe.